Hi guys, welcome back to Create by Haven. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a Pic Collage account. So obviously you're going to go into your Pic Collage app and you're going to hit these little two lines up here at the left hand corner. Next you're going to hit the Pic Collage community and then the teal button that says log in. Gonna wait for it to load. Shouldn't take too long. I'm going to sign up with email. So, how about this? Create by Haven at Gmail. And then our username, I'm going to do create by Haven. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Our password. Then you're going to have to click yes, I satisfy the above conditions and consent to the terms. And if you want to read those, you can. Then you're going to hit sign up. You're just going to verify that your email address below is correct. So I'm going to say yes, it's correct. Welcome abroad, HDLP 312. Done. And then from there on, you should be able to put photos in, you can post. And if you want to change from there, you're just going to have to click this X, click the arrow, and then go to settings. So edit account info. And I'm going to change. So I'm going to be create by Haven 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay. And then from then on, you go to Pic Collage community and you have your changes. So this is a new way that you guys can keep up with me, and I hope to see you then. Bye.